Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is chapter 6, the poem I Dream a Word, written by Langston Hughes. Dear student, this is a very interesting poem and thought-provoking. I say something about the poet. This beautiful poem was written by James Hobson. Hobson, a black poet who was born in Missouri, USA. He was a versatile writer, a poet, a novelist, and playwright who wrote more than 35 books. He held posts at the University of Chicago and Atlanta. Brief summary of the poem. This poem begins with the phrase, I dream a world, which makes it clear that the poet is in hope for something better, and in the rest of the poem, he will describe his dream. The poet says that he dreams of a world where no man will ever tease or discriminate against other men. The other men are no other but the blacks. They will be treated like whites in such a world. There will be love and peace everywhere, which will make it more beautiful. The love here is the love for the blacks, and the peace is the eradication of discrimination. In the poem, the poet expresses his desire for freedom from discrimination, love, and peace. In the second stanza, also begins with the phrase, I dream a world. The poet says that he desires a world where everybody, especially the blacks, will enjoy the freedom of speech, the freedom to roam everywhere, etc. There will be no greed. For example, everybody will lend a helping hand. There will be no disease of materialistic desires. In this poem, the poet expresses his desire for freedom and a greed-free world. In the third stanza, the poet for the first time uses the word black. According to him, he wants a world where everybody, be it white or black, will have access to the resources without any discrimination, and there will be complete freedom in doing that. In this poem, he expresses his desire for freedom to use country resources without any discrimination or restriction. In the final stanza, he says that in such a world there will be no misery, where wretchedness will hang its head and everybody will have access to joy. Thus, the poem is all about the dream of the poet for the blacks who have suffered on the basis of their race and color. The beautiful poem presents before us the dream, vision of utopia, an ideal world which was perfect peace and harmony, where freedom rules supreme and everyone lives a blessed life. Thanks. Any question?